Welcome to the second exercise in sophrology, which is the clearing of all tensions in body and mind with your breath. You can do this exercise standing up or sitting down. I advise you would try both positions and see what works best for you. In the beginning, it is probably easier for you to focus on the tensions in your body. But once you get more familiar with this exercise, you can also try to release the tension from thoughts in your head. So let's begin. You may sit in an upright chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Make good contact with your feet on the floor and the palms of your hands on your thighs. I now invite you to close your eyes. And you may put the tips of your both hands on the point between the eyebrows. And now you are connected with your face and your head. When you breathe in, you hold the breath, you make a slight tension of the head and the face. And when you breathe out, you focus on all the tensions in your head and your face and you exhale them. And you can use intention or imagining breathing out all the tensions. So you may do this a second time. Breathe in, hold your breath, feel any tension in your head or your face, and breathe out, relaxing the face, relaxing all the muscles in the head and the face. And you can do this a third time. So you breathe in, you hold your breath, slight tension in the head of the face, and when you exhale, you release all the tensions, all the negative tensions in your head and your face, and you fully relax your face and your head. And now we go and place the fingertips on the point on your throat, at the center of your throat, on your thyroid gland. So put your fingers there, the tips of your fingers, and keep your elbows down and relax. And when you breathe in, you hold your breath and you feel any tension that you have in your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your throat. You let it out when you exhale. So breathe in, hold your breath, feel all tension in your neck, your shoulders, and breathe all the tension out. Imagine that you breathe out all the tensions and relax your neck and your shoulders. And you may do this a third time at your own pace. And now we're going to clear the chest and the upper back of all tensions. You place your fingertips of both hands on the center of your breastbone to connect with your chest. You inhale, hold your breath, feel the tension in your upper back and your chest, and use your breath to release all the tension in this zone. And you may repeat this 2 more times. So you inhale, hold your breath, feel any tension in your chest or upper back, and just let it go when you exhale. And you can do this a third time at your own pace. Now we are going to place our fingertips on a point at the center of the upper tummy, just below the rib cage. And we are going to use the breath to release all the tension in this area. So you inhale and you do a slight tension of the tummy. Feel any tension in this area, the organs, digestive organs, and you just release all the tension when you exhale. And you repeat this 2 more times at your own pace. Just notice the tension in this upper tummy area and let it go with the breath. And now we are going to release your lower tummy and legs, hips from all tensions. So you put your fingers on a point just below the belly button and above the pubic bone. And when you inhale, you tense the muscles of your lower tummy in your legs. Feel any tension and just exhale, releasing all the tensions in this area, relaxing all the muscles. And we do this a second time. Breathe in, slight tension of the legs and the lower tummy. Feel all tension. Breathe out, relax, let all the tension go. And the third time at your own pace. And now, to finish the releasing of all tensions, I invite you to put your fingertips on your belly button, because this is a connection point for your whole entire body. So you breathe in, hold your breath, slight tension of all the muscles in your entire body from head to toe, and breathe out any remaining tension and relax all your muscles. Relax your neck, your shoulders, your upper back, lower back, the tummy area, legs. Just relax. Breathe out. And now I invite you to sit back with your back against the back of the chair. And you may choose any words that you like to synchronize with your breath, to really have a positive feeling in your whole body. This word can be calm or vitality or peace or any word that you would like. So you invite the energy of this word when you breathe in, and then you diffuse it in your entire body, all the cells of your entire body when you breathe out. And now I'm going to give you some time to really integrate all the positive feelings, all the positive sensations of this exercise. Just notice what is going on in your body. Notice all sensations, feelings, without judging, just noticing. Be aware of what is happening in your body. You might feel some feeling of relief or heat or shivering or any other sensation. Try to put your attention as much as possible on all the positive feelings and sensations of your body. Feel the presence of your body. And listen to all the sensations in your body. And at your own time, you come back to your awareness in the present moment, here and now. You take some deep breaths and you can start to wiggle your toes, your ankles, knees, move the thighs, the tummy. You can rub your hands, rub your face, stretch your arms, and at your moment you can open your eyes.